Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get ASB New Zealand Bank overdraft money. So first we're going to go to our browser. So next we're going to type ASB Bank Overdraft. So next we're going to click on the link provided above. So this is the official page, as you can see. So while scrolling, you can see the frequently asked questions. One is, how do I get this overdraft? So as you can see, you can get it by calling them on their number or by going to their nearest ASB branch. So how does the overdraft work? The overdraft is basically a revolving loan that appears as a limit and available balance on your everyday account. How much does it cost? How do I manage it? As you can see, you guys can see how much you're going to pay. The rates and fees options would be assessed to see how much you're going to pay. The rates, as you can see, are put in numbers as well as the fees. You can see everything clearly. So this is how you guys can apply for an overdraft. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.